Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about weekday, weeknum and network days functions. In weekday function it returns us the weekday which is from 1 to 7 or 0 to 6 considering one either Sunday or Monday. Okay. Here it is best to convert the text date if it is provided in text format to the date time format first and then utilize the function. Okay, otherwise it would throw us an error or it would result in wrong output. Here I'll create a new column. Let us type the function weekday. I'll type weekday equal to, the function is weekday. As I open the parenthesis, you could see that it returns a number from 1 to 7. I'll type the date column which is our calendar date. I'll put a comma. In the return type here you could see that the Sunday either it is from 1 to 7 or Monday it is from 1 to 7 or from Monday it is 0 to 6. We have these three options to choose and we could decide accordingly. Currently I'll take this Sunday as 1 and Saturday as 7. I'll type 1, close the parenthesis and hit enter. Here you could see that the Saturday it is 7, Sunday it is 1 and every Sunday it is repeating from 1 to 7. This helps us to find the weekdays in a calculated column. Let us see another function which is WeekNum. WeekNum function, it helps us to find the week of the year. Here we have two systems. The first system is if the week containing January is the first week of the year, it is numbered as week 1. This is one system which is followed by default. In the system 2, if the week is containing the first Thursday of the year is the first week of the year, then it is numbered as week 1. This is another system with where it is followed by the ISO 8601, which is known as European Week Numbering System. These are the two systems which are followed according to the weeknum function. Here we have this return type. Okay, weeknum has two parameters. In the second parameter we have return type, and this return type there are various conditions over here, as you could see. If the week begins on particular day, we have that system. Except this return type 21, it belongs to system 2. Okay, I'll quickly go to the calendar table. I'll create the new column. I'll type weeknum equal to, I'll type weeknum. I'll open the parenthesis. Here you could see that it returns the week number in the year. I'll provide the date column which is calendar date. I'll put a comma. Here you could see that there is only two numbers as return type which is provided. Okay, first one is week begins on Sunday, second one is week begins on Monday. For now I'll type 1, close the parenthesis, hit enter. Okay, here I'll again show you that here in the week, if the week begins on Tuesday, we'll use the return type 12. Let us see how it works. Here in the second parameter I'll type return type as 12. I'll click here. Let us see how it is working. Here you could see that on Tuesday, here we have it as second week. Again on January 11, the third week, it is Tuesday which is starting again. January 18, it is Tuesday, it is the fourth week starting again. This 12 represents that the weekday is according to the Tuesday of every week. So similarly, the return type which we are following depends on the week that begins on particular day. I hope it is understandable. Please explore these return types as well as the by default return types which we have, Sunday and Monday. Okay, let us move on to the other function which is network days. We calculate network days as like working days. We have to provide the start date, end date, okay, what are the weekends, and also if there are any holidays included between those particular dates, we provide the holidays. For the weekend part, here we have a few conditions like whether our weekend is Saturday or Sunday. It is either one, even if it is omitted, it will take by default the Saturdays and Sunday as the weekends. We have these numbers like 1 to 7 and 11 to 17. either single days or 2 weekends which we have. Okay, and with respect to holidays, if we have an additional table, it will help us to remove that or omit those holidays. If start and an end date are both blank, then output would be blank. If start date or end date, if either of one of them is blank, then the date treated would be it is 1899 12:30. Okay, I'll go to the table. I'll create a new column. I'll type network days equal to, here we have the function network days. The start date, I will take the calendar date as the example. I'll put a comma. End date, I'll take today's date. Okay, today function I'm using it to find out the today's date. So 2022 dates till today, this is the range of dates which I'm providing. Weekend dates, like I could either provide according to the table or I could omit it. For now I'll provide one which is Saturday and Sunday are my weekends. Okay, the holidays, I have this holidays table. I'll show you now. I'll type this holiday table. I'll close the parenthesis, hit enter. Okay, here you could see the network days which are like working days between the particular date which is provided and the today date which I have used. Okay, by the today function. That the holiday table, here you could see that this is the holidays list of holidays which are involved from 2022 till date. Okay, this helps us to find the number of working network days. The function is similar as in the Excel part also. Network days dot like INTL international, or you could even like explore the network days function. Here the third part, which is weekend, I have shown you that either you could use from 1 to 7 if there are like 2 days as weekends, or else you could use this 11 to 17. I hope network days function is understandable. We use the start date, end date, we have the weekends, whether from 1 to 7 or 11 to 17, and the fourth parameter is a holiday table. This weekend and holidays, they are optional. We could even calculate directly by using the network days. This is all for now. Thank you for watching and we shall meet in the next video.